Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I have explained the story of the mice and the elephants, which is in page number 112. So today I shall discuss the question answers of this story. I shall explain to you. So the first question is number A. Answer each question in one sentence. See here, what were the elephants searching for? So the answer is the elephants were searching for water. I have already explained in the chapter that the elephants were searching for water and they finally found a lake. So what they were searching? They were searching for water. Next is who lived near the lake? A large family of mice lived near the lake. Next is what did the mice ask the leader of the elephants to do? The mice asked the leader of the elephants to use another route. Route means another way to get to the lake, because the area near the lake, the mice used to stay and the elephants used to go and drink and the mice used to get hurt. So the mice asked the leader of the elephants to use another way to get to the lake. So the next question is, what did the leader of the elephants do to help the mice? The leader of the elephants told all the elephants to use another route to get to the lake. So the leader agreed to the complaint given by one of the mice. And the leader told all the elephants to use another way or another path to get to the lake. Next is, what did the mice do in return to help the elephant? As the elephant was helped by the mice, so as the mice was helped by the elephant, now the mice also helped the elephant in some way. So what did the mice do in return to help the elephant? The mice beat through the ropes to save the leader of the elephants, who was tied to a heavy stone post by some cruel hunters. I have already discussed the story yesterday, so you know the story, so I am not going through details. Answer these questions in a few sentences. First question is, what happened to the leader of the elephants near the lake? So the answer is, the leader of the elephants got ensnared. Ensnared means he was captured in one of the traps laid out by some cruel hunters near the lake. Some cruel hunters laid out some traps near the lake and the leader of the elephants got captured in one of the traps. What did the hunters do to the leader of the elephants? So what did they do to the leader? The hunters rushed towards the leader and pulled him away and then tied him to a heavy stone post. Next question is the last question. What do you learn from this story? We learn from this story that the small can indeed sometimes help the big. In this story, the small is the mice and the big refers to the elephant. At first, the elephant helped the mice, and lastly, the mice also helped the leader of the elephants to get out of this trap by biting through the ropes. So these are the question answers of this story. Now let's go to page number 114. There are some exercises. Look here, use a word from the passage to fill in the blanks. The first question is, the collective noun for elephants is, so what the collective noun elephants is herd, H-E-R-D, herd. Next is, the singular of mice is mouse. Next, a thing designed to catch an animal, it is known as a trap, T-R-A-P, trap. The opposite of pushed is pulled. A period of 2 weeks is known as fortnight, means 14 days is known as fortnight. Next is, match each word with its meaning. So the first is quench. Quench means to satisfy one's thirst by drinking. Next is agony. Agony means extreme suffering and pain. Next is captivity. Captivity means to capture, means a condition of being imprisoned or confined. Confined means restricted, means captured. Next is ensnared. Ensnared means trapped. Next is route. Route means a way or course taken to reach a final destination. Route means a way, a path. So this was the last page of this story of the comprehension, the mice and the elephants. I hope you understood the story as well as the question answers that I have explained now. So let's end the video here for today. So thank you and have a nice day.